look in the cat food box. Right, in the cat food, on the jelly selection, so look what we've got here. Show your VIPs how much you love them. Okay, let's see what this says. Go to the post box, the old red post box. Okay, let's see what it says, shall we? Beware of the dogs packed with the things I like. Beware of the dogs packed with the things I like. Beware of the dogs. Okay. Right. With lots of things I like. Right. Look. Devin Zander, Joey Zotto, Cindy Batty, Walt Bayliss, Chris Winters, Jan Schatz, Michael Christen, Simon Warner, Matt Crayford, Larry Lloyd, Sam Backer, Karthik Ramani and Brad Spencer. I like that. I like that. Okay. You are part of Launch Omnipresent Dragon Sniper. Okay. You are part of Launch Omnipresent Dragon Sniper. This was Devin Zander's presentation at the Millionaire Marketing Summit. Right, Launch Omnipresent Dragon Sniper. I'm doing it now. This is it. I get it. Right. See you in the next slide.